had been in such severe pain that I was like, please just let this be the answer that's gonna get me back to where I was athletically. And it was like easy peasy. My name is Nicole. I'm a nutritionist, and Dr. Huberty helped me with my left shoulder almost a year ago. Before I was a nutritionist, I actually was a salon owner. I think it was just from overuse. I was a fitness competitor during that time. Lots of arm up in the air, lots of overhead presses. Fast forward to my 40s, I knew that something really wasn't right with my shoulder because my workouts weren't the same. As a nutritionist, fitness is a big part of my world. I couldn't do the things that I really wanted to do, and it was really, really frustrating. So I just felt really stuck. At that time, I was seeking physical therapy through a good friend of mine, Melissa, who owns Active Edge. She said, Nicole, you just need to go see Dr. Huberty. I made an appointment with Dr. Huberty. I remember coming home and telling my husband, he is the most calm person I've ever met. He was very, very kind, and the way that he took his time, he kind of just took a step back and said, here's your options, I'm gonna leave it up to you. And he was like, I'm with you 100%. He really understands that you wanna get back to your normal life. He understands how nervous people could be. And he was like, very reassuring. You're gonna be fine after this, and you're gonna be back to doing all your normal stuff very soon. The day of surgery was actually really easy. My experience with Dr. Huberty at the surgical center was calm all around. Recovery was way easier than what I expected. I think I started doing the exercises that next day. I was in a sling for just a few days, not even a week. I am a year post-op. Things that I could not do before when I was in so much pain. Even putting plates away from the dishwasher, I would have to do that one at a time because my plates are heavy. Which is, I'm 43. I should be able to lift plates up into and above the cabinet. Lifting up my daughter, like from this position, was a no-go. And now I can swing her around. It's no big deal at all. I feel like a beast in the gym again. One of the major things that I wish I would have done is I wish I would have seen Dr. Huberty earlier. I could have been back to the normal things sooner than I wanted to. I've also learned how important it is to just do the exercises no matter how boring they may seem to you. Even just the littlest movements help so much, just strengthening everything around. It's kind of crazy to think that I was in that position a year ago gearing up for surgery, and I was so nervous, and now it's like, that was the easiest thing I've ever done.